it's me, Jayden. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, today we're gonna make chocolate covered strawberries. So, where are the strawberries? Let's get them. Now we're gonna wash them. Put some strawberries in here. Put 1 million in here. I'm kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What happened to this one? We're not good at it. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strawberries. Now, let's move the stool over to the sink. Yes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the sink. Now we're going to use some paper towels to dry the strawberries or the chocolate once thick. So let's start. Take off the stems. Let's take them off. For this part, you're gonna need wax paper and a pan. So let's go. Now you need a grown-up to heat the chocolate. So I'm gonna use my mom. She's the best. Now that we have these sticks on, we're gonna dip them in the chocolate. Be careful because the chocolate might be a little bit hot. This is the yummy part. That's how you do it. The chocolate's on, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator so the chocolate could get hard. Now that the chocolate strawberries are ready, let's take them off the pan and put them into these cups. Now let's start. try one of these. I'm gonna try this one because it has the moist chocolate. They're so yummy. Make sure to like and subscribe.